Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is what is extension in demand and increase in demand. In the earlier lecture, we came to conclusion that extension in demand takes place due to change in price and increase in demand takes place due to change in other factors. Now we will explain it again, how this extension takes place, what is extension and what is increase. Extension is rise and increase is also in rise in demand. So we will explain it, we will elaborate the concept here. Now, what is extension demand? Extension in demand, it takes place due to fall in price. जब प्राइस फॉल होगा तो डिमांड राइज हो जाएगी, उसको हम बोलते हैं एक्सटेंशन डिमांड. फॉर सपोज we write it, this is price and this is quantity demanded. For example, if price is suppose it is 10, current demand is for suppose 2. Now when price falls 5, current demand rises to 3. So this is when price falls, current demand rises. So it takes place due to fall in price, not due to any other factor, but only due to change in price. Price falls, current demand rises. So this can be explained in the Laplace diagram also. For example, if OP is price, OQ is quantity demanded. Now, this DD is the demand curve of the consumer. Consumer is at point A. So point A shows that when OP is price, OQ is quantity demand. Now, when price falls, this quantity demand gets rises from OQ to OQ1. Price falls from OP to OP1. Now, at price OP1, demand is OQ1. So when price falls, demand rises. Consumer moves downwards from point A to point B along the same demand curve. So this is called extension in demand. This is extension in demand. Now, what we have to discuss next, it is increase in demand. So increase in demand, it takes place not due to fall in price, but due to change in other factors. Like increase in income, taste and preferences, etc. जो हमने factors बताए थे. But this increase in demand, it takes place in two ways. दो तरह ये इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं. When more is demanded at same price. Second is when same is demanded at high price. So increased demand takes place when more is demanded at same price or same is demanded at high price. So the extension in demand takes place here. Now we will explain the concept when more is demanded at same price. For example, if this is price, this is quantity demand. For example, if price is 10, quantity demand is, let's take the example 2. Now demand rises from 2 to 3, but price remains constant. This is 10. So price does not change here, but demand rises due to rise in other factors like the rise in income of the consumer takes place, price of related goods rises, size of the family rises, etc. This is more is demanded at same price. And the next concept is same is demanded at high price. For suppose when price, this is quantity demand. If price is 10, quantity demand is suppose 2. Now, price, if the same is demanded, consumer demand is same. He demands 2 kgs of milk, for example, when the price rises. So when price rises, he does not change his demand. He demands continuously these 2 kgs of milk. Why? Because his income has, it may be the case, either his income rises, or the taste and preferences rises, or the size of the family rises. So he does not decrease his demand here. He does not change his demand here. So this is when more is demanded at same price or same is demanded at high price. So this concept can be explained in the Laplace diagram also. For example, when more is demanded at same price, if OP is price, OQ is quantity demanded, This is the demand curve of the consumer. D is the demand curve of the consumer. Consumer is at point A. Now consumer demands more at same price. This OQ1 is more demand at same price. Here we draw another demand curve. Let's name this as D dash D dash. So here the demand curve shifts rightwards. As we earlier explained that when demand curve shifts rightwards, the increase in demand takes place. Here increase in demand takes place when more is demanded at same price. Now the second concept is when same is demanded at high price. Let's take the example here. For example, if OP is price, OQ is quantity demanded. This is the demand curve of the consumer. D is the demand curve of the consumer. Now, consumer demand is same at high price. If price rises, consumer demand is same at high price. This is P1. Price rises, but demand does not change. Why? Because due to changing other factors. So this is the another point here. We will show that this is D dash D dash. So demand curve gets rightward shift here. So there is rightward shift in both cases. When more is demand at same price, more is demand at same price, but same is demand at high price, demand curve shifts rightwards. This is increase in demand. Thank you very much.